Hi, scholars. Happy Monday. I hope that you had a really great weekend, and I hope that all that knowledge of all the continents has soaked into your brain and you are ready to say goodbye to continents for a little bit, but now are ready to learn about our last domain of core knowledge, okay? Our new domain is called taking care of the earth, okay? So all the people we've learned about, all the towns, all the cities, all the animals, we actually live on the same planet. Do you know what the name of the planet we live on is called? What is the name of our planet? Well, we're going to find out, okay? And I'm actually going to be showing you what our planet looks like. I'm going to show you a rotating globe, okay? And then we'll get into that a little bit later, but I'm going to show you what it looks like, okay? So for the next couple of weeks, we will be learning about Earth and how to take care of our planet, okay? Because we live on Earth together, we need to care for our planet and our Earth. We need to keep it clean and healthy, right? So just like if you were to go jump in the mud pile of water and mud and dirt and you got it all over you, would you keep it like that for the rest of your days? No, you'd probably come inside, you take a shower, clean it all off, right? Well, it's the same thing. We have to take care of our earth, right? So for the next couple of weeks, I want you to use your imagination. Now, I know all of you have some imagination out there, okay? I want you to pretend that planet Earth can talk to you, okay? And I want you to pretend that she will be reading to you, okay? So in other words, when Mrs. G is reading the story from the book, okay, I want you to pretend and imagine that it's actually the earth reading to you, even though that couldn't happen in real life, okay? But it's really fun to use our imagination sometimes, so that's what I want you to do, okay? So as Mrs. G or Earth is reading, I want you to try to remember what the earth is made of. And then I want you to try to remember 3 things that make up the earth and why they are important to people. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to share my screen with you. But first, I want to show you something really neat. Okay, so I'm going to share it with you. And before we start, I want to show you this rotating globe. It is so neat. Okay, so this is our Earth, okay? And it just shows you that it's rotating. It just gives you a different view, okay? You might see some of our continent shapes that we talked about on there, right? This is our Earth, our world, right?
Zebra hat.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start. Let me bring up our little book here. All right, so remember, use your imaginations, okay? This isn't Mrs. G speaking, it's Earth speaking. It's your planet, okay? Hi, kids, it's me, Earth. Some people call me the world, some call me the planet, and some even call me Mother Earth. But you can just call me good old Earth. This is what I look like from outer space, from somewhere beyond our friend, the moon. From outer space, I guess I look pretty small. You can see that I'm mostly blue. That's because I'm mostly covered with water. But you can also see lots of green and brown. Those are the colors of the land where people live. Of course, I am also covered by a nice blanket of air. You can't see the air, but you can see the white clouds that float around in it. I've been here a long time, and I've seen many things. I just want to tell you that I'm truly amazed by you people, and I'm glad you're here with me. You do so many amazing things. I like your farms and your nice little towns. I like the great big cities you've built. They're incredible. I don't even mind the roads you've built all over me. I like to feel your boats floating on my oceans, seas, and lakes, and your airplanes kind of tickle a little as they zoom through my skies. Most of all, I like you kids. I like to feel your little feet running around. I like to hear you laughing. And I especially hope that you enjoy and appreciate all the beautiful and amazing places on my surface. Let's take a look at some of those great places together. People live on land, but you're not the only living things that depend on or need the land. Animals, plants, and people all need to share the land with each other. The flowers and grasses add such beauty to my surface. Of course, the flowers, trees, and grasses aren't there just to be pretty. They're important for all the creatures that live here, from the squirrels and birds that live in the trees, to the bees that buzz around drinking nectar from the flowers, to the animals that eat the grass. It's the same with rivers and other bodies of water, such as lakes and streams. They're nice to look at and nice to swim around in or paddle down in your canoe. But they're also home to many creatures, from fish to snakes and turtles to snails. And their waters are important in many ways for you people too. Here is a photo of the beautiful sky. On this day, the sun is shining brightly and a few puffy white clouds are floating through the air. Every time you look up in the sky from now on, I want you to think of the air that's there. You'll want to listen very carefully when I tell you about keeping the air and the skies clean. After all, the air is what you breathe every few seconds, every single day. People are the most intelligent creatures here on Earth. You're the ones who built big cities and invented cars and computers. You make medicines for people and animals, and you have schools and airplanes and many other important things. You people are truly amazing. You can do many, many things that no other living creature here on Earth could do. That gives you extra responsibility. So, when we say responsibility, it means something that you're expected to do. You're responsible for something, okay? Because you are the smartest, all living things depend on you to take care of me. You have to share good old Earth. You're in it together. I want people to truly enjoy living here. Every morning when you wake up and see the sunrise, I want you to say, "Great, it's the start of another wonderful day on beautiful Earth." Okay, and in Arizona, we have the best sunrises, don't we? We do. To make sure that happens, I need to teach you about something I like to call taking care of the Earth. I really need your help making sure that the air, the water, and the land stay clean so that you and all other living things here can be safe, healthy, and happy. And you kids can really do a lot to help out and to make sure all the grown-ups do their part too. So I hope you'll listen carefully over the next couple of weeks because I have a lot of important things to share with you. Okay, so that was our first little introduction to our new domain, Taking Care of the Earth. And I just want to say that I already know that so many of you know how to take care of the Earth. I've gotten so many pictures. I know that Earth Day was a few days ago. And Mrs. G got some pictures of you guys taking care of the Earth. You were picking up trash, you were recycling, and all these amazing pictures that shows me that you really care about the Earth. So I think this is going to be really, really fun, a lesson for you, okay? So great job taking care of the Earth already. I know you're doing amazing, and I'm so excited to learn what else we need to do to take care of the Earth and to learn more about our beautiful Earth, right? All right, so that was it for our lesson for today. I have shared with you, I'm gonna go ahead and close this out, but I put your assessment on here just so that way it's easier, okay? So for your exit ticket, your first question is, what are some other names for Earth, okay? What are some other names that you heard the Earth tell you that her name was, okay? And then second question, what 3 things make up the Earth? What are the 3 things that make up the Earth? Okay? Take a picture of your work and send it to your teacher, and then I will see you tomorrow for some more Earth stuff. Okay? All right. See you tomorrow. Bye.